So the Supreme Court just rejected a request to revisit the same-sex marriage decision from 2015. They didn't want to touch this issue because they know that over 70% of Americans support gay marriage being legal. The Supreme Court rejected a call to overturn it. Or in other words, the best thing this Supreme Court has done in years is actually not do something. What does that tell you about how fucked we are? This is like when Shaquille O'Neal was praised for retiring from the NBA because dude was so old and slow at the end of his career that he was actually harming his team. He was praised for not playing anymore. Just like the Supreme Court is getting praised, they're getting cookies for not touching the Obergefell v. Hodges ruling that granted access to marriage for gay couples nationwide. Here's an article from ABC. The Supreme Court on Monday denied a bid from former Kentucky County Clerk Kim Davis to appeal a $100,000 damages verdict and to get the justices to revisit the landmark 2015 same-sex marriage rights decision. The court did not explain its decision. This lady might be the meanest person you've ever seen. She's the one who gained international attention after she refused to issue a marriage license to a gay couple on religious grounds. And she did that in defiance of the Supreme Court ruling back in 2015, and she was infamously jailed for 6 days. I'm not sure which one is better karma, the fact that she's lost all of her court cases, or the fact that almost 600,000 gay couples were wedded after that Supreme Court decision. And there's over 800,000 married same-sex couples in the US. A big old middle finger to this Karen. The fact is, if you look at most of the major studies, about 70% or just more than 70% of Americans support gay marriage being legal. That 30% is likely a mixture of Christian fundamentalists and people with severe brain damage. If you're a Christian and you don't support gay marriage, fine. Keep it to yourself, though, because we live in a secular society, so shut up. If you want to overturn gay marriage for any reason, whether you're a Christian fundamentalist, perhaps you're secular, but you still hate gay people, and if that's you, and you're trying to take rights away, go away. Just go away. Go. I mean it. Gay people getting married has zero impact on your life. You're just a loser. That's all you are. Even if you are a fundamentalist in your religion, especially if you're a Bible believer, according to your own religious doctrine, you are not supposed to be forcing your religion on other people. So you can hold your views privately, but in a secular society, tough luck. And I thought it was interesting that the Supreme Court didn't even release notes on this decision, or they didn't comment on it. They just ignored it. It's pretty sad when the best thing this Supreme Court has done in years is do nothing.